Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the Deepseek AI application. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the server timeout issues within this application. So let's get started right away. If you are trying to use the Deepseek AI application, but when you ask a prompt or a question, the chatbot search just keeps on spinning and you are not getting a response, or if you see a response timeout, then there are a few things that you can do to fix this issue. The first thing to check is to make sure that you are connected to the internet through a stable Wi-Fi or data connection. Try using any other application that also uses the internet. If this application is working just fine, then your internet is not the issue. Next, you can try switching the response mode as well. If you are in the expert mode and activating Think, then this might sometimes overload the system. So try switching into instant and turning off the Think option to see if you still get a response. If you do, then you can try going back to the previous mode after a few minutes and it should pretty much work. The final thing that you can try is to clear the application cache. Long press on the Deepseek AI application and then go into App Info. Then tap on Force Stop to stop the application, and then you can go into Storage. Here you can tap on Clear Cache to clear your application cache. After this, your application issues should stop. If it still doesn't work, then you should also check for updates on the respective app store within your device. Just search for the application, and if you see an update button instead of open, you will need to tap on it to install the latest updates. And that is how you can fix the server timeout issues on the Deepseek AI application. If you find this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.